This is a 1967 black Chevrolet Camaro found abandoned, weathered by time, dust, and neglect. Years of exposure have faded the paint and allowed rust to slowly take over the body. Loose leaves and dirt are gently removed to reveal the original metal underneath. The first slow wipe exposes original metal hidden under thick grime. A light tap confirms how fragile time has made the old chrome. The restoration journey begins with a quiet step toward the forgotten muscle car. The camera glides along the body, capturing every scar of age. Old rubber trim is carefully peeled away without forcing the metal. Inside, decades of dust blanketed the dashboard and seats. Rust-covered wheels show how long the Camaro has been standing still. Before starting restoration, do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. A gentle water rinse starts washing away years of dirt. Thick foam softens hardened grime across the hood. Slow circular scrubbing lifts embedded dirt from the paint. Hidden mud and rust fall away from the wheel arches. Freshly cleaned panels begin to breathe again. Tight gaps are carefully cleaned where dirt loves to hide. Water flows calmly across the roof, carrying away residue. Wheels regain their shape as grime dissolves. Chrome begins reflecting light after its first polish. The glass clears, restoring visibility lost to time. A protective layer brings back early shine. The exterior now shows the Camaro's true lines again. Old seats are removed to expose the cabin structure. Dashboard components are gently unscrewed and removed. Worn carpet reveals bare metal flooring beneath. The steering wheel is carefully detached for restoration. Worn carpet reveals bare metal flooring beneath. The glove box releases dust and forgotten debris. Aged seat foam crumbles as it's taken apart. The interior is now completely stripped to bare metal. Loose rust is manually scraped from damaged panels. A wire brush removes deep rust from the floor pan. Sanding smooths corrosion along the wheel arches. Rust treatment is applied to stop further decay. Suspension parts are cleaned piece by piece. Brake discs are restored by removing surface corrosion. Old bolts soak to release decades of rust. Grease and oil are washed away from the engine bay. The engine block is gently scrubbed clean. Remaining oil residue is wiped away by hand. A protective coating shields the underbody from future rust. Suspension bolts are tightened with controlled precision. The chassis is brushed clean down to bare metal. Restored brackets regain their metallic shine. Engine components are slowly rotated to ensure smooth movement. Fresh lubrication protects all moving parts. The undercarriage now looks factory fresh. The suspension system is rebuilt carefully. Brake lines are cleaned and secured safely. The engine teardown begins at the top. Each piston is cleaned down to raw metal. The engine block is prepared for reassembly. New gaskets are installed for perfect sealing.
The camshaft is cleaned and lubricated.
Quanset by tactile.
The crankshaft is positioned with precision.
Morgan's ballful.
Pistons slide smoothly back into the engine. The engine is slowly rebuilt, piece by piece. Final underbody protection is applied evenly. Brake drums regain a clean metallic finish. Final torque ensures safe driving strength.
Insert a carburetor.
Fresh spark plugs complete the ignition system. The alternator is mounted and secured. Cooling fins are cleaned for efficient airflow. All engine hoses are connected carefully. Fresh oil flows into the rebuilt engine. Coolant fills the system to prevent overheating. The restored engine bay is revealed.
Solid right there.
The body is sanded smooth for paint preparation.
There'll be Camaro.
Small dents are filled and leveled. Body filler is smooth to perfection. Windows and trim are masked for clean paint lines. Primer creates a perfect base for paint. Primer is sanded for a flawless surface.
Oh my God, man.
Every panel is inspected under light. Glossy black paint is applied slowly. Wet paint reflects light beautifully. Fenders receive even, controlled paint layers. Fine detailing perfects the curves. The rear panel is painted with precision. The freshly painted body is revealed. Paint is gently buffed for depth and shine. Final polishing brings mirror-like reflections. Chrome trim shines like new again. Tires regain a deep, rich finish. The paintwork passes its final inspection. Restored seats return to the cabin. The dashboard is carefully reassembled. Restored seats return to the cabin.
free country choice.
Door panels are reinstalled cleanly. Fresh carpet transforms the interior. The center console is secured smoothly. Controls return to their original positions. The hood closes softly over the rebuilt engine. Wheels are installed and torqued evenly. Side mirrors reflect perfection. All glass is clean to crystal clarity.
For lighting
The
furniture down.
interior is vacuumed spotless. Every surface is wiped down carefully. The fully restored interior is revealed. The Camaro stands reborn in full glory. Every chrome detail gleams under the light. Tires complete the aggressive stance. Tires complete the aggressive stance. The engine comes alive after decades of silence. The rebuilt heart runs smooth and strong. The rebuilt heart runs smooth and strong. The Camaro is shown from every angle. The restoration reaches its peak moment. The interior looks factory fresh again. The legendary muscle car face returns. Thanks for watching this video.